And I said, so are you glad you came? And they said, absolutely. And then I said, are you learning things that you didn't know before? And they said, yes, we are.
Knowledge is power. That's why a local organization is looking to arm teenage girls with the knowledge they need to prepare for the future. Teens with Purpose teaches everything from leadership skills to sound decision-making, and most recently, lessons in reproductive health. This comes after data from the Cleveland Department of Public Health shows a 20% increase in certain STIs. Here's News 5, Joe Pakinakis with more.
Your health is important. This is a big deal.
Cleveland Director of Public Health Dr. David Margolius led a new series of teen summits on reproductive health. On Tuesday, teens from 4 Cleveland high schools were given crucial information and resources after Cleveland Health stats showed a continued increase in sexually transmitted infections over the past 6 years.
We want them to be protected, and we want them just to know the risk of acquiring an STI and risk of pregnancy.
The summit, hosted by Cleveland Department of Public Health Director of Nursing Dr. Jeannie Johnson Brooks, had teens break into groups so they could ask questions and also let teens know about free STI and Pap testing regardless of their insurance coverage or ability to pay. The summit gave teens information and resources on contraceptives and stressed the importance of family communication when discussing reproductive health.
We do talk about the importance of, we call it family participation and family involvement. We ask if they have a responsible adult at home. A lot of times it might not be mom or dad. It might be an older sister. It might be an aunt.
Valerie Walker, founder of Teens with Purpose, which empowers young women with life success leadership guidance, attended the March 5th summit and believes the Teen Summit dispelled reproductive health misinformation and myths that teens can often pick up from peers or social media.
The more information they have, it helps them to make better decisions.
Walker also made it clear parental involvement is critical in teaching teens how to make the right choices.
You have to sit down with them and talk about things, and you have to make it engaging.
Dr. Johnson Brooks says another key part of the program is to set up a life plan for teens, teaching them the impact an early pregnancy could have on other life goals.
Then they want to go to medical school, they want to go to college, and how is this going to work? And they see it tangibly written out, that goal, they're like, oh, well, that is, we start that conversation. It's not easy to raise a child alone.
And the Cleveland Department of Public Health says its Teen Summit held on March 5th was a complete success with more than 100 teens attending. It says its next Teen Summit will take place within the next several months. Reporting here in downtown Cleveland, I'm News 5 investigator Joe Paganakis.